Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be refreshing my deck and getting it ready for summer. I'm a little late this season, but we've had a lot going on, but we're going to get it done today. So I'm going to invite you to come on in and watch me make magic out of my total mess. Oh, and let me apologize for the lighting because it's shady back here. I don't know why you're getting all of this glare, but I don't know what else to do about it. Maybe I'll have Orlando come out and see if he can set the camera up someplace else in a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. Friends, just so you know, it is 98 degrees out today. You can see I have my fan going. It stays out all the time. It helps also to keep the mosquitoes and other flying things away because it blows them away when we're out here enjoying the deck. But today is on because it is hot, hot, hot. But I knew that I had to get it done. And having a gazebo up on the deck does help a little bit because it keeps the sun from beating down on me.
What it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind, and it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, for my hurt you are the cure. Like a spring you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby, you know I miss you, oh yeah.
I've basically got it done. I hope it's not too dark. That's my table. Those two cups are mine and Hub's. It's hot. We needed the ice. Colors are navy and yellow, as you can see. These two big jars that I'm using as my centerpiece, I wish that would stay up. I like the handles up. I bought those last year from Home Centric, and they were blue, but the sun from last summer, this bleached them completely clear. So we spray painted them again. As you can see, my flowers all around the deck. They all have spinners, and they all also each have a light. So if I can hang out long enough, I'm tired, guys, I'm going to wait until the sun goes down and the lights come on and let you see what it looks like, because I have them all the way around. Because I have plants all the way around. Okay. And on this side of the deck as well, with cucumbers growing in that blue bucket there, and peppers in the one, peppers in that purple one right there. Those are peppers. You get a good look at that. Okay. But if we come on around flowers, as you can see. And they all have spinners and lights. My strawberry plant is doing great, although it's not producing any strawberries. And that's my wandering Jew. It's blooming. That is lemon balm. I don't know what that pretty pink one is with the delicate flowers. You're inside the gazebo, so it's going to look, you're looking out through the net. That's the cucumber. That is lantana. I don't know what that yellow one is there. I got a new hosta coming. Rose bush. Lantana. Don't know what that one is, but it is gorgeous. It blooms during the day and then it closes up at night like that. Then we have the peppers, another rose bush. My full-grown hosta in one corner. That's really pretty. You see, you got to see this one up close. I'm going to take you to this one. Isn't that just gorgeous? I think so. That's just gorgeous. I don't know what it is. That's why I'm not telling you. This one here was a gift. It was gifted to me from a coworker. It's real dainty. And it's really got long tendrils. It's really growing beautifully. It hasn't bloomed yet, so I'm not quite sure what it does. And I've got this one. And this is a duplicate of the one. Wait, I may be able to tell you. Ha ha! This is... Let's see. I don't have my glasses. Darn it. Hold on. Okay. This is a Helleborus hibiscus. Okay, so that's what that is. Whatever that may be. That's what it says it is. And this is one of my favorites. It's a balloon plant. This is another philodendron. Guys, I took 3 little break-offs from the other plant that had broken off. A squirrel had gotten in and fallen to the deck. And I just stuck them in this pot because in here, as you can see, I have a Lenten rose. And I just stuck those 3 in there and that's what happened. Booyah! It just took over. And up here is another Lenten rose. This, see if I can get you to it. You've seen this before. It's still growing. It's my jasmine. Another huge hosta. Another huge hosta at the bottom of the landing on the deck. And another rose bush. I've got something growing in that one down there on the ground. But I'm going to take that up. Put something else there. Because what it's doing, it's trailing out. And it's attaching itself. There. It's attaching itself to the ground. And I don't want that because I'm afraid of snakes. So that's why things are in pots. What you see, the bushes back there are azaleas that need to be trimmed back. And, oh, I didn't turn this way. And my glider. Let's see if I can get back this way. So over here, I still need a couple of pillows for the backs of that one, for the back of that one. But it's basically done as well. And if I step back this way, you can see that on either side of the door, I have ground cover in 2 pots. And of course my welcome to the farm, my angels, and that little plaque says welcome, bless this house. I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm going to sit for a minute and see if I can wait for the sun to go down so you can see the lights come on. The lights on the table, the scatter lights, I picked up at the home store last year. And those 3 canisters there are holding citronella. I love the way these vases came out. once they were spray painted. We'll see if the sun is going to fade the spray paint. Because they were actually clear once the sun was done with them last year. And they were about this color when we got them. So I'm going to hold off for a minute and see if all the lights come on. And I'll be back if they do. Okay, friends. I sat out. It's so nice out. Until the lights came on. As you can see, they're all the way across the back of the deck. All along this side. And I'm trying to turn you without getting you dizzy. And then all along this side. So pretty. And then one beside on either side of the door. This is the best time of day because we live in such a hot area to be out here with the fan going. It keeps the mosquitoes down. And if I were going to be out for a while, but I'm not, I'm going to go in it a little bit. I would also light the candles, the citronella candles, and that would help as well. But yeah, there you have it. Some of the ones down below may be on as well. I didn't replace those today, so I need 3 more. One for that rose bush at the bottom of the stairs. One for the, can you see that on the corner if I turn this way? Another rose bush over there. And that pot that's in the center of the yard. I also need some, let's see, let me take you down. It's not completely dark yet. I could also use some around my shed. So I may go to Dollar Tree and pick up about, 6, 7 more. Put out here, down below. This is what it looks like from, I guess, from the walk path behind us. Yeah. Okay, friends. I love these new lights here because they give off a shadow. Can you see that on my wall there? These are nice. This one's blinking. I hope it lasts the summer at least, so that they match. But at any rate, that's my outdoor area at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it has inspired you. I had fun doing it. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for darling. In your arms I feel secure. I feel secure, darling.
Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.